Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove the brake light switch on Peugeot 306 2001. Right, I removed the instrument panel, but it wasn't necessary. Now I remove the bolts for steering column. That bolts and steering column go down. There is it, the brake light switch. For remove the brake light switch, just with one hand catch the brake light switch and pull out. There is it. This is the brake light switch, and now we gonna test it. Right, put in the multimeter to connection signs and sound. Now I don't know what with one hand. Now we are in the connection mode on multimeter, and when we have connection we see what happened. Right, I connect the multimeter, and when push the button, but I can't do it with one hand. I made it. Right, I connect the multimeter, and when push the button we have the connection. So the brake light switch is working correct. If I push the button and don't have any sound, we don't have connection, then the brake light switch not working. This white thing is the button who's push from the brake pedal. Now we remove the second brake light switch here. Again with pull out. We remove the socket. Yeah, I remove the brake light switch. You see, it's defective. Why is defective? Is because God, come on. Is because the white button yes, the white button is not over the black body, like here. Over the black body, like here. Here the white pin stuck inside. Now guys, how we test the stop lights? Right, in the place on white socket, where was the brake light switch, I connect the bridge. I turned the ignition on, and the brake light is on. That's the brake lights. I opened the brake light switch, but you see, if you can't, you see, I'm sorry about the focus. The brake light switch is defective, but we don't have a focus here. Okay, however, yeah, the brake light switch is defective. I don't know, do you see on the video, but we can't repair it, and we bought the new one. This is the new brake light switch, and now I'll install it. I install the first one. Right. We plug in the hole and push it to maximum. I can't do this with one hand, but with one hand we push the brake, and the other hand we push the brake light switch to maximum. Right, this. When release the brake, you must sound the clicking noise from the brake light switch. That's all. I mount the brake light switch, but I not release the pedal yet. When release the pedal, we must hear the clicking noise from the brake light switch. Right, this. It's done. The brake light switch is regulated. Now we mount the instrument cluster. It's very easy, actually, when the steering wheel is down. Okay, I can't do it with one hand, but yeah, this socket, put it here and just lock. This socket here and lock it. Yeah, we mount the instrument cluster on the place, and we mount the screws. Right here. We place this plastic thing on it, and here and here and here is with screws. The screws on the upper side is a different. Oops. It's with smaller torques. And always check the lights after install the instrument cluster, because when we shake the cluster, the bulbs behind the cluster going defective, and we don't have the light, but here everything is good. The light